engine optimization is like Game of Thrones. You need to battle with your competitors using the right keywords and techniques to be on the top of search engine results. However, choosing the right SEO tool is one of the challenges nowadays considering the level of competition out there. But I'm here to help you prepare for the battle with a list of best free SEO tools handpicked by our experts. Hi, my name is Komal Kashyap and you're welcome to our channel Netly. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss on any important details. And yes, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more such videos. The first tool on my list is SEMrush. SEMrush is the marketer's favorite tool. It is one of the best on-page SEO tools to analyze your website and that of your competitors. You can look at your trending articles, social shares, word count, and related keywords all at one place. This makes it easier for you to research well before writing your blog post and helps you analyze it after publishing. The best thing about this tool is that it also helps you plan the content for your blog with its content marketing kit. Not just that, SEMrush gives you 40 million ideas for a single keyword. Just imagine how great that would be for your content chart. It comes with paid plans starting at the cost of $99 per month. Best for keyword research and competitor analysis. Key features: analyze competitors' keywords and budgets and marketing activities. Find less competitive keywords. Compare domains side by side. Get visual data in terms of charts. Segmentation of your keyword by topic. Perform site audit. Check your website using on-page SEO checker. Get useful insights about your site's organic traffic. Measure and compare the performance of your content. Number 2 is Mongoose. Mongoose is one of the best SEO software which comprises of the tools such as KW Finder, SERP Checker, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, Site Profiler. The USP is that they have a very smooth user interface which doesn't require any technical knowledge to use. With Mongoose, you get a 10-day free trial without a credit card. Also, they offer 40% off on their annual plans with unlimited keyword suggestions on Mongoose Premium and Agency plan. It comes with paid plans best for keyword research, competitive analysis, and backlinks. Key features: keyword analysis and suggestions. Analyze competitors' keywords. SERP analysis. Tracks your website ranking. Check backlinks. Checks domain authority, page authority, and credibility of a website. Provides a browser extension. Analyze Google's SERP changes. Helps check websites' SERP snippet. Number 3 is Substat. Substat is a great all-in-one SEO tool whose mission is to help businesses outrank their competition to gain higher profits. It was founded in 2013 as a keyword tool but later become all-in-one SEO platform in 2016, focusing on generating leads through organic and paid search. Substat also helps you track your competition and improve your content. Interestingly, they have about 5 million keywords in their database and 25,000 are updated every minute. The best thing about Substat is that they provide a free plan which helps you find relevant keyword, analyze backlinks, and do competitors research. You can also save 20% on yearly SEO plans. It comes free for limited tools and the rest are paid. Best for keyword research, PPC analysis, and competitors research. Key features: helps you do keyword research and competitors analysis. Analyze PPC campaigns, track your website rankings, gives content ideas, perform on-page SEO audit, track your competitors' keyword positioning, displays reports and infographics, uses API, analyzes backlinks. Number 4 is Moz. Moz is one of the best SEO tools that is used by many experts. Despite the regular algorithm changes that Google does, Moz is one tool that is up to date. Besides, it is also known for its chat support for customers. Moz comes with a free trial period of 30 days, post which you can decide whether to buy it or not. Now that's something great because most of the paid SEO tools allow you to have a trial only for 7 days. The page optimization feature is said to be the best as it helps you optimize every single page of the website by clearly mentioning where to make changes or what to add. It comes with paid plan at the cost of $99 per month post 30 days free trial period. Best for keyword research, SEO report, SEO audit, backlink research. Key features: allows you to track the keywords for which you are ranking, finds out issues on your website and alerts you about the same. Prioritized recommendations enable you to optimize your web pages. Get custom suggestions that help you create content. Link Explorer helps you find quality backlinks for your websites. Most Local helps small businesses and enterprises get maximum outputs with minimum effort. Number 5 is Post Affiliate Pro. Post Affiliate Pro is the highest rated and reviewed SEO affiliate software which helps you improve your site's ranking on search engine result pages. It also facilitates tracking the growth of affiliate programs and networks. It has a very intuitive user interface, so it's easy to manage commissions, campaign manager and reports. One can integrate Post Affiliate Pro with over 170 payment gateways and CMS. The best thing is they provide a 14-day free trial for network owners, merchants and affiliates. It comes with paid plan post 14-day free trial. Best for managed affiliate and network programs. Key features: affiliate link styles, direct link tracking, force metrics, commission groups, performance supports, split commission, flash banners, HTML banners, image banners, mass payments, multilingual support, Web 2.0, campaign banner and affiliate report, map overlay report, online users report. Number 6 is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a keyword research tool that gives a free report of what your consumers are searching. The report is displayed in a visually appealing format with several questions and tags. It's an online tool for content ideas as well. While the free version gives useful insights, you can also go for the pro version, which is beneficial for agencies. It comes with free and paid plans. Pro version for $99 per month. Best for keyword research, content ideas. Key features: get search result in the form of questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabetical and other related keywords. Displays visual data. Allows you to save the display data in the form of an image. Helps you generate content ideas. Number 7 is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is everyone's favorite as it is a free tool for SEO. It is the lighter version of paid tools. Performing keyword research using Ubersuggest is quite easy. You can do it either by entering your competitor's URL or by entering the seed keyword. The latest update of the tool also allows one to find out backlinks of your competitor's sites. Not just that, you can easily get long tail and short tail keywords along with SEO difficulty. It comes for free, best for keyword research and backlinks. Key features: estimated visit counts give you an idea about how much traffic you can get. Keyword suggestions based on the entered keyword. Get content ideas for your website. Provides the backlink data. Visit your competitors' top ranking pages. Number 8 is SEO Site Checkup. SEO Site Checkup is a tool that is useful to optimize your website for SEO. Checking your website manually for errors or issues to be fixed is a time-taking process, but SEO Site Checkup automatically does it for you. All you need to do, enter your website URL and get a real-time report of fixes that are required. This tool solves all the SEO issues instantly with just one click. It is an excellent tool for beginners as well as professionals. You can monitor your website's SEO performance on a day-to-day basis and change it accordingly. It comes with paid plan at the cost of $24.95 per month post 14-day trial. Best for SEO audit, monitoring and competitor analysis. Key features: analyze your SEO issues instantly. Day-to-day SEO monitoring notifies you when your SEO score changes. Compare your competitors' SEO side by side. Generate SEO reports. Create automated checkups. The 9th one is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the best tools for SEO and many bloggers recommend it. This tool crawls the website efficiently and gives almost accurate results. You can perform keyword research by either entering your competitor's URL or by tapping the seed keyword. This gives you a list of keywords, both long tail and short tail. You can filter your keywords according to search volume, keyword density, page difficulty, etc. That's the best part of this tool. Also, it allows you to vomit negative keywords. It comes with paid plan at the cost of $99 per month after a 7-day trial period. Best for keyword research, competitor analysis, site audit, and content ideas. Key features: Site Explorer for getting insights about organic traffic and backlinks. Use Keywords Explorer for getting the right keywords. Content Explorer gives you content ideas. Site Audit feature shows you the issues that need to be fixed. Find the content gap of your competitors and generate content for your site. Compare multiple links of your competitors at once. Last but not the least, the 10th one is Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner is a free tool by Google Ads. You can use it to find low competition keywords. However, it doesn't display the search volume precisely. The Keyword Planner is mainly used for paid ad campaigns. It helps you discover new keywords and also shows the bid estimates for those keywords. It comes for free, best for ad campaigns and keyword research. Key features: search the most relevant keywords for your business. Find out how often a keyword is searched. Gives you suggested bid estimates for each keyword. Add the finalized keywords to your advertising plan. The 10 SEO tools discussed are the best in the market. Using these tools makes your research easier and will surely help you rank better, provided you work hard, put consistent efforts, and keep optimizing your website and content regularly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do share it, smash the like icon, and tell people about it. Did you like our research? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you have been using one of these tools, how has your experience been? Your valuable feedback will help other viewers. Also, let us know what topics would you like us to cover in our upcoming videos. There is blog links in the description below that you can go through for more detailed information on these tools. See you soon on the next video.